So welcome to today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 9 mathematics. So take down today's question. The following table shows the daily wages of the factory workers. Rewrite and complete the table given below and find the mean wages obtained by the workers. So here the wages of workers is given as xi, that is 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, 9 and 1000. Okay, here it is 8, 9, 13, 7, 10, 6, 4, 3 is given. Okay, this is the frequency. Okay, and these are the number of workers. These are the wages, that is xi. Here it is, don't put this line, okay, over here. Wages of workers is xi, frequency is fi. Fi into xi you all have to multiply, okay. Yeah, now you all have to multiply. 300 multiplied by 8 you will get 2400. 400, 4 nines are, what will be answer? 36, and add these two zeros. Then 13 multiplied by 5 you all can do, you will get 6500. Next 6 sevens are 42, add these two zeros. Then 7 tens are, it will be 7000. Here 6 eights are, your answer will be 48, and add those two zeros. Okay, now 4 nines are 36. Next is 3000. Yeah, so you'll have to add all this, you will get 60. After adding all this you will get 35100. Okay, now I'll have to find out the mean. Therefore mean is equal to, what is the formula for mean? Summation of fi into xi upon summation of fi. So fi xi is 35100 upon 60. Okay, so 0 0 you all can cancel. Okay, you all can even cancel this. 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30. Here how many will carry off? 5, 51 is remaining. Then 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51. 3 is carried. 5, yeah, so 585 you will get, 585. So what will be your answer? 585. So final statement you all can write down. Therefore mean of the data is, therefore the mean of the data is 585. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to find the mean of the data, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below.